Welcome to the Phillips-Sprague mine, now called the Beckley Exhibition Coal Mine, a once operating historic coal mine in Beckley, West Virginia. This exhibition mine, or preserved coal mine, was a drift mine that opened around 1899. This exhibit serves as the first historical site dedicated to educating the public about the history of coal mining in the Appalachia. The guides are veteran miners, and along with their scripted tour, will answer questions about their first-hand experiences in the industry. For the tours, which are every half hour to an hour daily from April till the beginning of November, you and up to 34 other guests are loaded onto a man-trip man car and are trammed through a mine, stopping underground first to see how everyone is doing in regards to claustrophobia, then at separate exhibits to show the ins and outs of historical mining and the machinery and methods that they evolved with. Your $22 a person admission for adults as of mid-2024 also gets you into the museum, the outbuildings, and the nearby youth museum, which has an additional historically staged building area, including a weaver and a blacksmith. See the links below for the City of Beckley's mine page, a Wikipedia page on the original mine, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.